Trust me, I felt so good after going for a drive today after so long. The weather was so beautiful, and the most important part, I hadn't left my... This is the last drive.
Basically, Ray and her brother were out on a drive. Since they had a camera, Ray randomly decided to shoot a vlog and forced her brother to join in. Unfortunately, the camera battery died and they couldn't record what they intended to. However, Ray thought that the clips they had were funny and decided to upload them on her YouTube channel. Enjoy.
So guys, I forgot to mention we have Omi with us today.
Hey.
He does not vlog on YouTube like
Fortunately.
me. Follow him on Instagram, guys.
Coronavirus!
We are planning this drive since a while now, but we were planning to go to Goa.
गाड़ी में ठोकना.
I did check Google Maps before leaving, and look at this. It's been 3 months, 4 months, I've been at home. I've not stepped out a single time. Because coronavirus, guys, and I am a responsible citizen. So we had parked our car near Marine Lines to record a scene. And this man standing like 50 feet away, it goes like, and I'm like, what is he doing? He's like, and I'm like, what is he doing? And then we were like, and then he like, and then later we realized we had a flat tire. So I just got it fixed and now we're going back. So guys, can you guess where we are looking at these? Or looking at that? Okay, let's go. Have you ever had a hard time riding bikes on the streets because of these aunties who just wanna creep for every possible reason because they're too scared to drive the car, and then they want to blame it out on every possible person on the road, like, your parent know you're doing this. Your parent know you're doing this. Speed. Look at speed. Why you do bike, huh? Why you do bike? You can't do car. Where is your license? Show me your license. Hey, gold riding bike. Gold ride bike. Your mama know you're doing bike. Your mama know you're doing bike. Who make roti? Who make roti at home? This is your driving? This is how you drive? Who teach you driving? Where you get your license from, huh? Where you get your license? Oh God, he just me.
हवलदार.
ठीक है. Stop! And will always love you. Will always love you. You're going to die! You're going to die!